There she goes! That, ladies and gentlemen, is a misfire! That's what happens when the ball doesn't go that way, it goes that way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a unique experience for you because that's never happened before. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give the crew a big cheer?